Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my video. Today I have some big news. I just got a new haircut. I have managed to win $12 online. 12, 1, 2, not 120, not 1,200, but $12, and I'm going to show you how I did this. So I told you I will show you everything step by step, which also includes creating an email address. This email address I will be using only for things like making money online, for receiving useless emails, for example, creating a new YouTube channel for YouTube Shorts, or not connected to my email address, which is connected to this YouTube channel. In my last video, I was choosing tutorials to follow, so in this video, I am following a tutorial from Dave Nick on making money from watching YouTube videos. Under his video, he has two links, one only for the US and one for the whole world. The one for the US doesn't work for me for some reason, and the one for the whole world thankfully works. So I signed up using my name and my email address, and I went to complete task 1 of 5. Task 1 was to sign up in Audible's free trial. So I went to Amazon, I signed up to Audible with my email I have created. I filled out all the necessary information, and after completing task 1, I clicked on the link here where it asked me for my PayPal address. I'm not sure if this is real or not, but a YouTuber recommended this, so I should trust it 100%, and I will be just checking my PayPal accounts in the next days. So after completing task 1, I was unable to find a way into task 2. However, there was a button, click to get paid $40 per click. The website looks really sketchy, so I won't be doing this. I don't recommend anyone to pay for getting $40 per click because this sounds too good to be true, and these sites needs to earn money somehow. Let's just see if this is real and if they will pay me the $12 that they were supposed to. So thank you for watching this video. This is how I hopefully earned $12, and don't click out of this video yet because I have something for you guys. For the people commenting on this video, I will choose a random person and I will send them the $12! Wow, I got a bit overexcited for my giveaway. I'm so sorry for my neighbors because these walls are thin, but this giveaway is really important. I'm not giving away $120 or $1,200. I'm giving away $12.50.